Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dolphin254, and guys, as you can see, I'm starting off this video in my toilet. The toilet is really in a mess. I've really neglected this toilet, guys. Like, I've just been saying that this is a rental house, there's no need of wasting money, but actually I really need to do something to this toilet. So this will be a makeover video. I'm going to change a few things here and there. This is the before. I'll be taking a video of during while I paint the walls, because I want to paint this green part. I want to paint it white. I want the whole toilet to be white. As you can see, the ceiling is also so dirty, guys. Like this. You see this corner? It's a bit dirty. I'm also going to paint the ceiling white. So I believe at the end of the video we will see some changes. So you'll comment down below to tell me if I've really done a good job or not, or also you'll comment to tell me the things that you wish maybe I could change. So I'm going to paint the ceiling, and I'm also going to repair these, guys. You see, I can't even flush, so I think I just need to remove this because it's really giving me headache. Like, I can't flush the toilet right now as we speak. So I'm going to do a few changes here. I'm also going to see the best way of keeping these toilet paper and maybe these sprays. So I'm going to maybe put them in a tray. I'm also going to this. You see this color, it's a gray color, but since I'm going to paint the whole wall white, I'm also going to paint this white. I believe the final result will be perfect. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for the final result. So let's do it. Let me put on my mask and start painting these walls. For the makeover, I'm gonna be using the following. This is a spray paint. It's a white spray paint. So I have these two. I got these at 250 shillings each. So I have these two white ones, these and these, these and these. So I'm going to use them to spray paint the ceiling and part of the wall. And I'm also going to use this. This is an orange one. As you can see, my door is orange. So I'm going to spray paint the door because I want it to also look fresh and new, guys. So yeah, I'll be using this to spray paint the door. And I'm also gonna be using this brush. So this is the one I'll be using to paint the wall. I also have this. This is a silk paint. It's white in color. I'm gonna be mixing this paint with water. This dries so faster and it doesn't smell for a very long time. You know, I have a small kid. That's why I preferred using this, because I don't need any oil to mix. So I'll just mix it with water and use my brush to paint the wall, and I'm good to go. So as you can see, I also have some flowers here. So these are flowers that I got them at Kamkunji. I also have a video that I'll share with you very soon. I got this flower at 150 shillings. So I'm going to be using this flower to decorate the toilet. I believe the end result will be so amazing. I can't wait to share with you guys. So I'm going to mix the paint here. Like this is what I always use. This is my brush. As you can see, it can fit here so well. So I'm going to mix the paint with water. So when mixing the paint, just see the right amount. I always don't measure the amount of water that I use. I just mix it. I use my eyes to know the right amount. So this is my paint. I'm going to pour here like a half of it. So I'm going to mix with water. Just kidogo as I mix. This is a cooking stick. I've just shaped it the way you can see. So I'm gonna be using this to mix the paint, and I won't be using it again. So unajua mtu anaweza shangaa, rangi alafu tena kupika. No, I'm not going to use it again. So while you mix, you see how the paint is coming out. So I think I've added a lot of water. So I'll be adding more paint. You see, hizi ni vitu za kuona tu na macho. So I'll add more paint. Yeah, like that. So I think this will be enough. Yeah. So ladies out there, I think you're seeing whatever I'm doing. Si lazima utafute fundi akukule pesa. These things you can always do at home, you can always do them yourself. Ukitaka nyumba ikuwe smart, we mwenyewe jitolee. So yeah, the paint is okay. You can see the thickness. So I'm good to go. Sasa tuingie kwa choo. I'm going to paint right away. Follow me guys, follow me. Done my first coat. Yeah, this is how it's coming out, guys. You can see the ceiling. I'm really in love with the outcome. So I'm going to do a second coat. Yeah, I'm going to paint a second coat here. So I believe the end result will be so amazing. Guys, as you can see, these tiles I've also tried to fill them. Like they are now pure white. Like initially we had some brown colors here. Yeah, the gouts or what, these spaces had already discolored, but now I've painted white inside here, and I'm loving how the walls are looking so fresh. So as you can see, the windows also, as I had already told you, I'll be painting this white. So I've painted already the base coat, so I want to do another coat, and I'll be back to show you the final result. So today is day 2 of the makeover. I'm taking you back to my toilet, guys, as you can see. But this time round, I can see, I know you can see a few changes here and there. I've painted, my ceiling is now very clean, as you can see. Initially it was like brown, but this time round the ceiling is clean. I've also painted the walls. As you can see, the walls are now clean. Even the tiles are it will give me service for some time. Okay. So we've come to the end of this makeover video. Guys, I'm really in love with the outcome. I love how everything in this toilet is now functional. I love how these little flowers are bringing back life to the toilet. So I think you have seen how you can do so many things to your small spaces to make them as comfortable as possible. So this is what I did. If you have your own methods of doing it, or maybe you